Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's Saturday Showcase video is a little bit different than what I normally would do for a Saturday Showcase and what I originally intended the Saturday Showcase to be for. However, I wanted to go ahead and do this anyways. So if you do not check my blog regularly at www.QuitaBugHandmaids.com, you should Monday through Friday, because I do share projects on my blog that I do not do video tutorials for. So you are missing some really great inspiration if you do not check my website daily. So I highly recommend that you do that. And I wanted to share with you some of my favorite projects that I recently did on my blog that did not have a video tutorial, but that do have printable PDF tutorials. So the projects that I share over on my blog that I do not do video tutorials for, I create a free printable PDF tutorial to go along with those projects. So here are three of my most recent that I absolutely love that I wanted to share with you and give you a close-up of, and I'm going to link to each one of these projects down below so that you can head on over to my blog and you can print out your free PDF tutorial, okay? So let's jump right in and take a look at these projects up close. So the first one that I'm going to share with you is this beautiful thank you card. So you can see this card has so much dimension, you guys. I absolutely love it. And on this card I was highlighting the retiring butterfly Gala stamp set and the butterfly duet punch. This is leaving us, and I wanted to use it one more time before it goes, and of course I wanted to use those retiring in colors. But I love how this turned out. It's such a beautiful card. You could recreate it with so many colors, any color of your choice, and change up the sentiment however you like. It's clean and it just really pops, and I just love it, you guys. So yeah, I'll link to this tutorial down below. And this one, let me see. Oh no, I thought it opened differently. I couldn't remember. But you know, I decorated my envelope. But anyways, it is just such a pretty card with so much elevation. And then for this card was really fun. I had a good time creating this one. Actually, I need to grab one more thing I'm going to show you about this card. Okay, so for this card, I used that paper that you have seen me use so much, the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. I just love this paper. So I used that paper and I paired it with one of the stamp sets I have really loved, and that is So Sentimental. This one's retiring. I'm sad to see it go. It's got so many great sentiments. So if you want it, guys, grab it while you can in my online store. But I paired it with these dies. These are the Ornate Frames dies, and I put these dies in my retired bucket last year. I thought these were retired, and the other day I was going through my catalog and I realized these were in there, and I loved these dies, and I thought, you've got to be kidding me. I have lost a year of using these because I thought they were retired. So that's a shame. But anyways, so I used these dies now that I know they're still available, and I die cut out this cute little frame, and I just cut the frame in half, and then I used it to create this fun little border around the sentiment. So it was just a really fun way to use that die and kind of change up its use, especially because this sentiment was too large to actually fit inside of the die. So got a little bit creative with how I used it, but I love how it turned out. Yeah, so there's this card. And then lastly, oh my gosh, my favorite card that I made the other day. I love it. So this card was actually inspired, I was inspired to create this card because of my team's challenge. So we had a color challenge last week, which was to use Coastal Cabana, So Saffron, and Magenta Madness. So that's over on my team of Quita Bug Stampers. We were challenged to use those colors. And then this week, our challenge was to do something animal themed. So I paired the two challenges together, and okay, sorry, I had to pause the video because Malachi woke up. So anyways, that's kind of where the inspiration for this card came out, but it was just so cute. I could not resist or pass up the opportunity to share it with you guys in a video so that you could just see how awesome this card is. So yeah, you can see there's a little bit of elevation and this cute little dog. I colored him in with my Stampin' Blends, and then I did some heat embossing here for the sentiment. I just love it. And I used the Pampered Pets bundle. Now this is not retiring. So, woohoo! I used the Pampered Pets bundle for this, but so cute. I just love it. So, you guys, anyways, I just wanted to hop on here really quick to share these projects with you and just remind you, if you do not check my website Monday through Friday, you really should, because you are missing out on some inspiration. So don't forget, I've got all 3 of these projects linked down below in the video description. You can head on over, check them out, download or print out the free PDF tutorials that I have for you guys for these projects, and yeah, add me to your routine. Check out my website Monday through Friday for lots of inspiration. So thank you guys so much, and I wish you a wonderful Saturday, and I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.